Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fidget spinner at home. First, grab your putty. This of course has to be made from unborn giraffe babies. Next, grab your bearing. Now this has to be heavily coated with lead. Now if you're scared of lead poisoning, trust me, do not worry about it. Okay, now that it's done, be sure to make a mold out of a pre-existing fidget spinner. Coat it in the putty. Stick the bearing in. Make sure to get your hands on some pellets. Now all the rumors about this being a toxic substance is just liberal bullshit. Don't worry about wearing protection on your mouth and face when applying it, you should be fine. Anyways, the pellets should help us fix the bearing to the mold, and keep filling up the mold till it's full. Congrats! You now have a fidget spinner. Disclaimer: you may also have numerous side effects.